Golden Lu-style crispy fried pork, Zha Rou. A delicious Chinese, Shandong, main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 20 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams pork shoulder or tenderloin, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing rice wine, 15 grams ginger, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon toasted Sichuan peppercorn powder, 100 grams sweet potato starch, 30 grams cornstarch, 1 large egg. Step 1. Slice the pork into uniform strips roughly 2 inches long and a half inch thick. Place them in a large mixing bowl. Step 2. Prepare the ginger water by squeezing the smashed ginger in the 2 tablespoons of water. Discard the solids and pour the fragrant liquid over the pork. Step 3. Add the soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, salt, white pepper, and half of the Sichuan peppercorn powder to the pork. Massage the meat for 2 minutes until the liquid is fully absorbed. Marinate for 20 minutes. Step 4. In a separate bowl, combine the sweet potato starch and cornstarch. Whisk in the beaten egg and the tablespoon of oil. Step 5. Gradually add cold water to the starch mixture, 1 tablespoon at a time, whisking until you reach a thick, smooth consistency that coats a spoon heavily. Step 6. Pour the batter over the marinated pork strips and mix thoroughly by hand, ensuring every piece of meat is evenly and thickly coated. Step 7. Heat the frying oil in a wok or deep pot to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. You can test this by dipping a wooden chopstick in. It should bubble steadily. Step 8. Carefully drop the pork strips into the oil one by one to prevent sticking. Do not overcrowd the wok. Fry in batches if necessary. Step 9. Fry the pork for 3 to 4 minutes until the coating is set and pale golden. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on a wire rack. Step 10. Increase the oil temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for the double fry, the secret to lasting crispness. Step 11. Carefully return all the pork to the hot oil for 30 to 45 seconds until they turn a deep golden brown and feel light and hard to the touch. Step 12. Immediately remove the pork and toss it in a dry bowl with the remaining Sichuan peppercorn powder while still hot. Step 13. Transfer to a serving platter, garnish with cilantro, and serve immediately with a side of Sichuan pepper salt for dipping. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.